Show me you're running. Get your stroller.
No.
Well, I want to see you guys do it. Hi, Ella Brooks. Go get her, Ella Brooks. Go get her. Go get her. Oh, Ellen. You're excited to have your friend here? Yeah. Two little peas in a pod. You want to come this way, Ella Brooks? Go! You're crazy. See ya. Okay, bye-bye.